Hello everyone, how are we doing? My name is Jamie and I'm the founder and portfolio manager at Clayman Capital. So a bit of background on myself. I've been trading and investing in the financial markets for the past 7 years. After seeing some success, started managing friends and family capital, and now just in the last 2 months, we have created a business to expand to high net worth individuals, corporate, family offices, investment funds, etc. to attract capital and trade and invest on behalf of these high value clients. So the purpose of the channel is to share the journey, take you guys along with me. You can see sort of the day-to-day life of what a business owner of an investment fund does day to day, managing large sums of money, how boring it can be, how exciting it can be, all the highs, all the lows, all the ups, the downs, whatever it may be. The goal is to take you guys along, and also for myself to be able to look back in the future and be able to re-watch the journey of everything that's happened. Hopefully by then we've been extremely successful and achieved all the goals that we currently have set out. We want to take you guys along to the investor sort of networking events that we go to meet with high net worth individuals, family offices, take you guys along to the meetings that we have with potential investors. I'm actually off to Amsterdam tomorrow to meet with a potential client after just coming back from Amsterdam at the beginning of August to meet with another investor, which turned out really well and really positive. But yeah, that is essentially what the channel and what the journey is going to be about. Hopefully I'll be able to give you guys some sort of trading and investing insights. Whether you agree or disagree, that's all part of the journey, right? That's all part of it. It'd be good to share some insights and tips with you guys. And of course, answer any questions that you might have. In regards to the trading and investment side of the business, I don't have any courses. I don't have any subscriptions. I don't have anything that I can sell you guys. This is purely just a value sort of journey, take you on board with the day-to-day life of running a business, as well as, of course, trading and investing alongside that. I'm not sure how much I'll be able to show you guys in regards to sort of the trading side of it, as we are managing external clients' capital. And of course, the trading and investment aspect is the companies and the businesses' USP, right? If I just went around shouting about that, then we have no business. Everyone has access to our system, our strategy, and our business falls apart, right? So I will try and give as many insights and tips and sort of knowledge and value as I can. But of course, I won't be able to showcase the actual trading and investment strategy that we operate. So, where is Clayman Capital currently? As I say, we have only been going for roughly 2 months. In that time, we've scaled the business from having just a few thousand under management to multiple 6 figures under management, soon to be 7 figures by the end of the year if projections sort of go to plan. We've gone from a team of 1, obviously being myself. I was managing everything, day-to-day operations, relations, the investment side, the report side. As we've scaled and as we've grown, that we are now a team of 2. So there's me, one other guy that helps out with the sales and relations, the reports, sort of all the back end side of the business. And we have a third guy that is also heavily involved in the business. And he is sort of the oversight. He gives insights into how to best run the fund. He has networks and introductions to high net worth individuals, investment platforms that might look to onboard us. So we've scaled quite quick in the last 2 months, like I say, from a few thousand to multiple 6 figures, from a team of 1 to a team of 2/3. And yeah, everything is growing and moving in the right direction. Like I say, we're 2 months old. We're very much at the beginning of the journey, which is why we're starting this, right? Hopefully it can give a lot of insight and a lot of value into the day-to-day operations of running an investment fund, the trading side, the investing side. And yeah, it'll be good to hopefully watch back and look at in the next 5-10 years and see where we started and see where we've grown to. Perfect. See you then, mate. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye. Trip to Amsterdam is booked. I will see you guys tomorrow. £20 for a couple of waffles. They better be decent. A little canal view out there. Decent little day. 20 minutes till I'm off to the meeting. Pretty nervous. Only the second time that I've met up with a client and an investor from outside of the UK. So should be a good experience. Let's see what happens. Hopefully we get a positive outcome. We've got everything we need with us. We've got our Clayman Capital sort of investor relation pack that we present to all our investors and potential clients when we first meet up with them. Got the custom journal, obviously for any important information and notes that we need to take. Let's do it. Let's see how it goes. Like I say, hopefully it'll be positive. I don't really know how to feel about that, to be honest. It went well in one aspect. In the other sense, it was a complete waste of time and completely different to what we had spoke about over the phone and in previous meetings. So, of course, from my introduction into the business, you'll know that we're looking for investment into the fund in general. So we're looking for high net worth individuals, individual investors to invest into Clayman Capital. These guys were looking to provide capital into the business in return for equity in the company. Now, as I say, we're not in a position where we need to give away equity in the company, or that we need a cash injection into the business or the fund. We're looking for investors to invest directly with us so that we can provide them with a return through the financial markets. These guys offered 500k for 5% equity in the company, which on paper sounds great, valuing the business at 10 million. However, when you just get a gut feeling, right? You just know if something's right for the business. And if you're going to be giving away equity in the company, you want the right people involved. You want the network. You want them to be hands-on. You want them to be involved. Whereas guys from another country that might have the connections, might have the network, but we don't know each other on a personal level, and I don't really know a lot about them. And like I say, we're in a position where we don't need to give away equity in the company. So a little bit frustrating in that sense that I'd mentioned that over the phone to these guys, of course, before I made the trip out to Amsterdam to meet them. But in person, they just sort of disregarded that, and that's not how they do business, that's not how they want to deal. As I've mentioned, they look to obtain equity in the company. So from that sense, a little bit frustrating. Of course, arranging travel, accommodation, food, all of that to come out and meet these guys when, in all honesty, yeah, it was a bit of a waste of time. But I guess it's a lesson, it's an experience. We can take that into the future meetings that we have with clients and investors. And yeah, like I say, lessons learned, and we can only move on from there. Just a little bit of a shame and a little bit disappointing.